how reading English novels helps you write better essays and also helps you on GS paper. So today, I, Dr. Anamta Rizvi, your English literature faculty for UPSC optional subject, will be discussing on this pertinent topic. It's a very important topic. Why? Because it's a fact. A lot of our students who have now are in great position as civil servants, उनके पास इंग्लिश लिटरेचर एक ऑप्शनल सब्जेक्ट होने का कितना बेनिफिट हुआ बिकॉज दे वर एबल टू राइट ग्रेट एक्सप्रेशन के साथ, गुड वोकैबुलरी के साथ अपने एसेज विद क्लैरिटी, विद अ फ्लो, विद अ गुड स्ट्रक्चर एंड ऑल्सो देयर नॉलेज ऑफ द एंटायर हिस्ट्री ऑफ इंग्लिश लिटरेचर हेल्प देम इन फॉर्मुलेटिंग बेटर आंसर्स. So with that thing, let's go ahead, with that in mind, let's go ahead with our lesson for the day and understand कि reading English novels, how it clarifies our entire thought process, how it makes our writing more lucid, more powerful, and of course creates a great impact on the one who's checking your answers. So with that, now let's go ahead. So guys, before that, let me tell you that April के महीने में हमारा बहुत अच्छा एक discount package आया है, and that cost is only for rupees 14,999. You can use my code ARLIVE, and yes, the batch is starting on 18th April. Every day the classes are at 1 p.m. You can attend the live classes or you can watch record lectures. Live classes में आप मुझसे interact कर सकते हैं. Whatever questions that you have regarding the subject, you can ask with that. So on that note, let's go ahead and understand the first idea. Enhance analytical thinking through literary themes. Now, understand one thing, guys, कि जब भी हम लोग English novels पढ़ते हैं, reading का कोई substitute नहीं है. This has always been there. Why? Because reading gives us a lot of words. हम तभी आर्टिकुलेट कर पाएंगे जब हमारे पास अल्फाज होंगे, जब हमारे पास वर्ड्स होंगे. जब हमारे पास वर्ड्स नहीं होंगे तो हम लोग लिखेंगे कैसे? रीडिंग यहाँ पे रोल प्ले करती है द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट. एज मच एज यू विल रीड, चाहे कोई सी भी नॉवल्स हो, चाहे आप इंग्लिश लिटरेचर एज अ ऑप्शनल सब्जेक्ट लेके वो नॉवल्स पढ़े या वट एवर नॉवल्स दैट यूर रीडिंग विच आर इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर योर GS पेपर. Remember, reading always helps you in developing strong vocabulary, great words, and those are the words that will help you in writing better answers. जब words नहीं होंगे तो answers कैसे लिखेंगे, right? So novels often deal with politics, psychology, society, and human nature. Readers learn to evaluate issues from multiple angles. This improves हमारी ability to frame the answer. स्ट्रक्चर क्या होगा हमारे आंसर का, उसमें बहुत हेल्प करते हैं. एंड वट एवर, चाहे बैलेंस आर्ग्यूमेंट्स हो, चाहे वट एवर इट इज, encourages critical engagement with abstract and real world issues. So yes, this is a very pertinent point, that enhanced analytical thinking gives you great words and so on through literary terms. Next, we have deep understanding of society, culture and history. कहते हैं कि history, political science, हमारा जो historical aspects होते हैं, they are fact. They're just recounted, documented, or they are archived historical facts. But when it comes to literature, literature is about human experiences. Literature talks about universal truths, and this is where reading again helps you. Deep understanding of society, culture, and history. Literature reflect करता है and critiques historical and cultural developments. For instance, novel जैसे Thomas Hardy का Hard Times tells you about the Victorian age, tells you about the class differences, talks about Hard Times is by Charles Dickens, or Thomas Hardy ka Return of the Native. Charles Dickens ka Hard Times is a very crucial work, and that talks a lot about what exactly was happening in the Victorian age. Industrial Revolution के बाद से क्या, what were the difficult time that people were facing. So yes, Charles Dickens' Hard Times gives a lot of impetus on that. Things Fall Apart, Chinua Achebe का African literature talks about colonization. Africa में जो colonization के बाद जो impact हुआ था on the entire colonized people, on African people, and how they emerged out of it. How the process of decolonization जहाँ पे हम लोग अपने rulers को, अपने colonizers को reject करते हैं. How that process started. Things Fall Apart is about that. So, Things Fall Apart offer insights into industrialism, colonialism, and social reform. Helps in writing nuanced answers in GS paper. When you are into English literature novel, जब आप इस subject को लेकर पढ़ते हैं, तो remember आपके GS papers में you will always get an edge because your information will be in any way nuanced, much more meticulous and enhanced. So you will have an edge, builds a contextual understanding of global and Indian thought. So whatever perspective that you have, चाहे आप African literature पढ़ो, or Russian literature, or English literature, American literature, so you will always gain a great perspective of the literature of that particular area, region, or time. Okay, so this is deep understanding of society, culture, and history. Then you have next point, improve language expression and structure for essay writing. That's absolutely for granted कि जब भी आप रीडिंग करेंगे, आप कोई से भी prolific reader को, writer को देख लीजिए. Let's look at Shashi Tharoor. Why is he able to write so well? Why is he able to speak so well? Because he has read prolifically. अगर आप उनकी एक उन्होंने memoir लिखा, that's a beautiful memoir that he has written. And उसमें उन्होंने बात की है कि किस तरह से उन्हें PG Woodhouse को बहुत पढ़ा है. उनने किस तरह से लिटरेचर में इतना पढ़ा है, बिकॉज बचपन में देयर वाज अ टाइम वेयर ही वाज नॉट वेल, सो ही यूज्ड टू स्टे एट होम एंड ही वाज नॉट एबल टू गो आउट एंड प्ले, बट reading is what he has done, and that reading was the one that gave him so much words, and unhi alfaz se he writes now in such great language. So enhanced vocabulary and sentence variety, teaches how to write logically, reasonably, logically आपको लिखने सिखाता है, logically connected, well structured paragraphs, build confidence in writing. When you will read, when you are into literature, you will have a sense of confidence. It reflects in your personality. जब आप बात करते हैं, जब आपका articulation strong होता है, when you are not doing because you are not your mind is replete with words. आपके पास इतने अल्फाज होते हैं कि आप कभी hesitate नहीं करते, कभी fumble नहीं करते. So builds confidence in writing creatively yet formally, trains aspirants to express complex ideas in simple and elegant language. Good vocabulary, elegant vocabulary, and in a very simple, nice style. कभी भी writing को ना कभी complex मत बना के लिखो. वर्ड्स अच्छे यूज करो, वोकैबुलरी अच्छी यूज करो, लेकिन ल्यूसिड रखो, क्लियर रखो कि सामने वाला whoever is reading your answer or whoever is listening to you, that person understands it well. और बोले yes, कोई भी आप good orator को देख लो, whatever, even if you pick up a good copy answers of good IAS aspirants के answers देखेंगे, you will always see the top rankers have written excellent good vocabulary, बहुत ही structure way में, lucid way में, and the key to this entire thing is reading. Then you have ethical and moral reflection through character analysis. Novels often center on moral dilemmas and human values. जैसे कि जो भी it teaches us about human experiences, universal truths. तो हमें characters के बारे में insight पता चलती है. It also develops our emotional intelligence. That's a very important trait in reading characters. उनके बारे में, उनको समझने में. क्योंकि हमें नॉवेल्स या बुक्स हमें एक कैरेक्टर के बारे में ऐसे नहीं बताएंगे कि रास्कोलनिकोव क्राइम एंड पनिशमेंट का जो दस्तयेव्स्की ने लिखी है वो ऐसा था. नो, इट इज थ्रू द प्रोसेस ऑफ रीडिंग द नॉवल दैट वी गेट टू नो दैट yes, the character is like that. That develops analysis, that develops the judgment within us, that develops an emotional intelligence within us. So characters like Raskolnikov or Dorothea in Middlemarch, they help explore ethical complexity, provide example for ethics, case studies, and so on. And yes, ये promote करता है introspection and empathetic thinking. Okay, so you are able to empathize with the other person, and empathy is needed in every aspect of life. चाहे you are becoming a leader, चाहे you are clearing a civil servant exam, or even as a kid. Okay, so this is a very important aspect. Then you have development of critical and comparative worldviews, introduces students to different ideologies. Yes, आपको हर राइटर की, चाहे वो लियो टॉल्स्टॉय हो गया, चाहे वो आपका सलमान रुश्दी हो गया, or you have maybe Ruskin Bond, or you have maybe Charlotte Bronte. So it introduces students to different ideologies, cultures, and belief systems, and we get to know we are actually reading the genius, the minds of the genius. उनके thoughts हम लोग पढ़ रहे हैं. Okay, so enhances understanding of global history, international relations, and diplomacy. Build करता है sensitivity towards diversity, useful for governance, and all the चाहे आपके international relation के topics हो, and studies के topics हो, it enhances your ability to think rationally and make logical answers. Trains the mind to think beyond binaries. Beyond binaries मतलब we do not live in black and white world. We live in the shades of grey. आपको shades of grey में सोचना सिखाएगा ये reading. Strengthening comprehension and interpretation skills, it helps us to strengthen our comprehension skills. We learn to comprehend things, understand things from various aspects. Regular exposure to layered text improves reading comprehension, builds patience to understand nuanced meanings. अंदर क्या लिखा है, क्या छुपा है, लेस के अंदर क्या है. जैसे जैसे आपकी रीडिंग डेवलप होगी, जैसे जैसे आप इंग्लिश लिटरेचर के सब्जेक्ट को और एक्सप्लोर करेंगे, यू विल कम अक्रॉस कॉम्प्लेक्स वर्क्स. इतने जैसे विलियम फॉकनर का वर्क कॉम्प्लेक्स है. विलियम फॉकनर इज अ नोबेल प्राइज विनर. टोनी मॉरिसन बिलवड एक कॉम्प्लेक्स वर्क है, बट वंस यू रीड दैट वर्क यू विल अंडरस्टैंड. कोई नॉर्मल नहीं पढ़ सकता. एक ले मैन को आप बिलवड टोनी मॉरिसन का देंगे वो नहीं समझ आएगा. बट येस, जो एक वोरेशियस रीडर है, जो रीडर पढ़ता है सिंपल वर्क्स भी, कॉम्प्लेक्स वर्क्स भी, दैट विल बी एबल टू ग्रास्प, एंड दैट इज व्हाट गिव्स यू एन एज एज अ रीडर. Helps in interpreting questions and case studies and boosts आपके चाहे prelims हो, आपके कोई भी हो, it gives you a great edge over your patterns, exam patterns. Rich repository of quotations, allusions and illustrations, and yes, you come across great quotes, epigrams, allusions, जो कि आपको अपने GS के पेपर के आंसर्स में मदद करेगा. So novels provide memorable quotes for essays. Allusions from texts like 1984 on Animal Farm, George Orwell का, वो help करेगा अपने खुद के whatever questions that you get in your GS paper, उसको parallel करने के लिए, align करने के लिए. Enables more persuasive and polished expression, makes writing stand out with depth and creativity. And guys, the last one, optional that double as essay preparation. टॉपिक्स एंड स्किल्स डेवलप्ड इन लिटरेचर ओवरलैप विद ऐसे थीम्स. आपके जो भी ऐसेज आएंगे उससे कई बार ओवरलैप कर चुका है, बिकॉज यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द इंटायर यूरोपियन हिस्ट्री, टॉकिंग अबाउट द वर्ल्ड ग्लोबल पॉलिटिक्स, एंड दैट डेफिनेटली ओवरलैप्स इन योर जीएस पेपर्स. तो बिल्ड हैबिट ऑफ रिफ्लेक्टिव राइटिंग, की टू ऐसे सक्सेस. ऐसे कैसे आप, अच्छा ऐसे क्या होता है, व्हेन यू आर जस्ट नॉट गिविंग an opinion but you're reflecting on that issue, and उस issue को आप reflect करते हैं अपना whatever thought process आपको अपने lucidly बताना, you declare that in your writing. So this is just a way of showing that how reflective you can think, and reading helps you do that, and वो आपके reflect होता है essay writing में. Saves time on separate essay preparation. Of course, once you are into reading and writing, आपका कितना time बचता है essay preparation में, and helps tackle philosophical or abstract essay topics with literary references. When you are giving literary references in your work, it reflects very, very, you can say smart. आपको बहुत ही smart दिखाता है. It makes you show that yes, you're wise, you are a reader, and in this time and age, if you have the habit of reading, trust me, it will always give you an edge. हम लोग चाहे जितना भी लर्न करें फ्रॉम वीडियोस, watching videos or whatever, ultimately the conventional method of reading is going to give you enough words in your brain to store them, and once you have those words you will be able to go ahead and write better answers. This is the key, और कोई भी इसकी key to success नहीं है in writing good answers. Read, and then this is the only way which you will reach the stars. Okay guys, so on that note I will end my lecture and tell all of you again कि मेरा कोर्स शुरू हो रहा है 18th April को, and again completely new batch. You can go ahead, the course is only for 14,999, and yes, I do make my students read. How I do it, I'll just tell all of you कि जैसे Pride and Prejudice है, या Jonathan Swift का Gulliver Travel है, या maybe Henry Gibson का Doll House है. I am always encouraging my students to read, as well as मैं हर chapter का summary देती हूँ, so that in case you are not able to read like one, अगर आप Henry Gibson नहीं पढ़ पा रहे, at least you have a full-fledged detailed summary which you can focus and you can go ahead with. So this is how I go ahead. There's a demo lecture also. If you all want, you can have a look at the demo lecture. बस कुछ नहीं करना है, आपको Study IQ IAS के site पे जाना है. Find my course, very easily you will get it, and you will be able to see everything that you need to understand that why you should go ahead with this course. So guys, on this note, I'll end my class and I'll see you all in the session. Bye-bye.